Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how I got the quality of my budget XLR mic to improve. I am using the NW-700, the Neewer NW-700, which comes on Amazon for about $70 for the whole package with the stand and the phantom power with the 3.5mm connection, which I am going to compare to the just a small USB adapter, which I found on Amazon for about $8, as well as the blue Icicle, which is on Amazon for about $120, but I ended up finding it through a local store for about $75. So if you're able to do that, that would be your best bet, and that did improve the quality of the mic the most. So let's head right into the comparison and let me know what you think, or if this was helpful for you, give it a thumbs up. I would appreciate it. So let's get to it. So now that we have everything plugged in, you can see or hear how this mic sounds. I'm about 6 inches away, and this is how it sounds, which is about the usual distance that I am if I am recording something, or if I am streaming or making a video or anything like that. So here's how it sounds for you, and to compare it with the other two connections, I am going to be reading off the dialogue or the features included, and let me know if the comparison is any good. I am doing the comparison with the filters on, so I will not be doing the comparison with the filters off. There is no reason for me to do that. If you are using the microphone with any of these connections, you will be having some kind of filters. Otherwise, it's not going to sound that great anyways. The one thing you will notice about the Icicle is the analog level control, which pretty much can control the volume, whether you want to raise it or lower it. So here we go. Features included are analog level control, built-in studio quality microphone preamp, 48 volts phantom power, fully balanced low noise front end, driverless operation, and a USB cable included. The blue Icicle features included are the analog level control, the built-in studio quality microphone preamp, 48 volt phantom power, fully balanced low noise front end, driverless operation, and a USB cable included. The features included in the blue Icicle are analog level control, built-in studio quality microphone preamp, 48 volts phantom power, fully balanced low noise front end, driverless operation, and a USB cable included. It does sound a little bit better than the 3.5mm connection, but if I do add any filters, it will not pick up any voice further than 2 inches away, so I won't even bother comparing it to a far distance. So guys, with that said and done, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. It is helpful for me and I appreciate it, and I really hope to see you in the next one. Peace.